So it's the next day after I made that wings, and I decided to make some more because I had extra, and we had some company coming over, and I'm like, I'm gonna make the wings, the turkey wings, but I don't have time to braise them in a pot for an hour. So I decided to use the Instapot. So what I did is, in a frying pan, I just browned the wings, and then after I browned the wings, I put them in the Instapot. Then I took the onions and just caramelized them some, put them in the Instapot. I put some carrots, I put some figs, and instead of using white wine, I used some Merlot. I used a red wine because I wanted to try something different. And I cooked them in the Instapot. I put them first for 25 minutes, moved them around a little bit, and then put them for 8 more minutes. And they turned out awesome. Absolutely awesome. Look at this, how beautiful. I mean, it is absolutely stunningly gorgeous. The smell is intoxicating, it's so good. So, Instapot took hardly any time to do, less than an hour, you have beautiful turkey wings. Enjoy!